Hi team, I'm here to show you how to log into Microsoft Teams. So if you go to Microsoft Teams, just Google it and click on sign in. It'll take you to this screen. And when you click on sign in, it'll take you to the login. I've already logged in, so I'll just show you very quickly what it looks like for you. You'll probably want to enter your front range email here. That's what I did, and then click next. And then the next screen will ask you for your S number and your password. So I'm going to go back to the other screen and log in very quickly and just show you what our account looks like for now. So just give me 1 second. So it looks like, because I've logged in before, it's just letting me log in again. Yes, it is. Awesome. So once you get logged in, everything's loading. Just a second. You should be able to click on Teams, and you'll probably just see that you're added to the high school programs team. So when you click on that icon, it opens to our page, and I wished you a good morning today, and this is the files section. So I'm just going to ask that we keep our department spreadsheet here with the fall 2020 offerings there, so that if we need access to the spreadsheet, it's there, since we don't have the S drive currently, and any other file you all think we need to have accessible. I know that the new cooperative agreements are on their way, so as soon as I have them, I'm imagining that will be while we're still at home. I'll make sure I load those here as well. And the new rate letters and different things like that that have a lot of information that we need to communicate to our high school partners. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd really like, again, if during the week, oops, it should be in Teams. I apologize for clicking on that. If during the week, if you use the posts page to ask quick questions, so that we're not bogging our emails down with our email accounts down with even more emails. That's kind of what it's been like these last few weeks, but maybe we can get a little bit more order on the team until we're back on campus to make this part a little bit easier. All right, let me know if you have questions. I hope you're having a great Tuesday. Talk to you later.